Hi everyone, Jeff Teagan Raleigh here. Today we're looking at 2022 Tundra. I'm going to show you some option packages you can get from the factory, like on this 2022 Tundra SR5 Crew Max. We're going to add advanced technology package, premium audio, and the sport premium package. Let's go. And I wanted to try to do this video a little bit before the sun fully came up so you could see the supersonic red right now when it's not brilliantly in the sun and popping. And then we'll see it evolve over the course of this video, I think. But this is the SR5. It's a two-wheel drive Crew Max. So let's walk all the way around. You could see it has some upgrades that wouldn't be standard on an SR5, like the grille and the wheels. We're going to explain that next. And then for the interior, we're going to show what normally, we'll call it stock, is fabric trim seats. But now with the Sport Premium package, what we've added is soft tech seats with an 8-way power driver and passenger seat with 2-way lumbar support on both sides. Holla. So just take a look at the pattern here. I love how they've got this pattern in the lower level. It really adds an extra layer of character and depth as well. So that's the interior. And when we upgrade to premium audio, you're going to go from an 8-inch multimedia touchscreen to a 14-inch. Plus we've got some extra power too. And then continuing on with the Sport Premium package, we'll look at aesthetics. Color key door handles added. Then we've got leather shift knob with TRD. Then we've got a red push button start. We also have, if you can see, dual digital climate control and also heated seats as well. So you get 3 different settings for driver side and for passenger side. Another part of Sport Premium package, you'll see these sport pedals. This right here is a separate option, this heated leather steering wheel, and you can see I've got that set up now. Why wouldn't I? It's like 20-some degrees outside. I'm freezing. And what else do we see with Sport Premium package? We see the TRD Sport badging. We also see these 20-inch TRD wheels. Normally they're 18-inch alloy wheels, but we've upgraded. The tires here, 265, 60, R20, and then we've got these matte or flat black 20-inch wheels with the red TRD logo. If you notice a change for 2022, instead of 5 lugs, we've got a 6-lug pattern here. Helps with towing for sure. 12,000 pound max towing capacity on the highest towing capacity trim level configuration. Yeah. The other upgrade here, a TRD grill. And of course, as people are coming this way, they're gonna say, what the heck is this? Well, it's TRD, but what? Well, it's Tundra. Tundra TRD, so it's got a TRD upgrade. You're gonna see the grill, you're gonna see the wheels, the badging. There's a lot going on here. Oh, hey, we've got this. Advanced technology package. Part of it is the panoramic view monitor. Allows you to see several different camera angles around the vehicle so you can see what's in front of you, behind you, overhead, in front of you. There's a lot going on, but it also adds in the front and the rear parking assist with braking too. Then we've got blind spot monitor. And then we're still continuing talking about the panoramic view monitor because you'll see cameras here on the side mirrors. Of course, you'll see it in back as well. We've got the trailering camera here. There's also a little floodlight. Helps you see at nighttime when you're looking to hook up trailers. I'm gonna come around here and show you the other camera. Look at this, the composite bed. It's aluminum reinforced, prevents rusting, chipping, but it does add a layer of ice and slush, as you can tell. I think that's standard. And then we've also got cameras here too for the digital mirror and also for the bed camera, so you can see this view. Yes, that's right, this view. That means you can see the bed along the sides, overhead, behind, in front of. So there's a lot going on here. You can change your grid lines. I'll show you a better one. Now I'm going to show that one. This also has straight path assist, your trailering hookup, so that you can guide your trailer straight back. You don't have to be the person who doesn't know how to back up a trailer straight. That includes me. It automatically detects what type of trailering you have, what size it is, all that jazz. And see, we've got no saved trailer right now, but we could hook it up if we wanted to add a trailer just like that. And it automatically detects what length of trailer you have. So that's panoramic view and straight path assist. The other part of advanced technology package is upgrading the size of the fuel tank. This upgrades to 32.2 gallons. And on a side note here, you're gonna get 20 MPG combined, 18 in the city, 23 on the highway. So improved from 2021, and we've got the bigger gas tank now. We're ready to roll. Where are we headed next? The beach, the mountains? Where are you headed? What's in your wallet? The premium audio not only affects what's inside the cabin, but also outside the cabin. Part of that premium audio upgrade, you're gonna get LED bed lights on either side. You're also gonna have, I know it's over here somewhere, there it is, 400 watt plug-in, so you've got power to the back. We've got power inside also. Look at all that room in the CrewMax back seat. We've also got a handle to go up in. And we're continuing our tour where we find more power on the inside as promised. So you've got a grounded outlet in the back bed, in the back seats, and then we've got this. And this 14-inch screen, it's raised up so it's less distracting because the screen itself is closer to your eyesight, your line of vision, as opposed to being down here like in previous years. A lot of vehicles are going that way. And then it's touchscreen. It's very user-friendly. You can, I don't want to put anything on here, but you can request different types of music just by touch. You can do it by voice command. I want to rock, rock, dun, 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 dun. Okay, so there's not navigation set up yet. The phone's not set up yet. We can get pieces of information about our vehicle. This one's brand new, so there's really not a lot. And then you could set up your own personal profile, and you can take that information to control your settings, your preset settings about yourself from vehicle to vehicle that has Toyota Audio Multimedia. And you can set up commands. For example, if you say, okay, Toyota,
what would you like to do?
Just like that. So that's how you wake it up. You can say, hey, Toyota, hi, Toyota, okay, Toyota, those type of a thing. She wants me to do something again. Stop saying that. You're making me want to respond to commands. It's like saying the word Alexa. Yikes, don't say it at home. She'll go off. And then let's look at a window sticker so we can see some of these features and the pricing. 4x2 SR5 CrewMax, supersonic red with the black interior, San Antonio. The safety ratings are not out yet, but of course I'll keep you updated when we get them on the window sticker. Combined for 20. It's nice to see something not combined for 14. Here we go, the 3.5 liter twin turbo. Of course you can get this one with 389 horsepower, 479 torque, or you can wait for the hybrid that comes out in the spring, 10-speed automatic transmission. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. See, that's the normal right there, 18-inch alloy wheels, and normally it has 8-inch audio multimedia. Notice that it's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Feel free to stop the video anywhere during that segment so that you can look at those specs and standard features. Here we've got 42.8. We're going to add in the advanced technology package, premium audio. We've got color keyed blind spot mirrors, Not sure about that feature, to be honest with you. Special color, sport premium package, the heated leather steering wheel, and then we come down here, we've got to add in delivery to get it from San Antonio all over the United States to the dealers. Then this one has these running boards, Toyo Guard Platinum. It's got all weather mats, paint protection on the door, and that'll take it to, drum roll please, 56.4. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you think about Tundra. What do you think about these option packages? Which ones are beneficial to you and to your family, your work, your pleasure, whatever? Are you a fan of the advanced technology package, the premium audio, or of the sport premium package? You tell me. Tell you what, my hands are freezing. So yes, I would want the heated leather wrapped steering wheel. All right, thanks everybody so much. I'm on Toyota Jeff Reviews YouTube channel. If you're new, hit subscribe. If you're returning, thank you. I'm on Instagram. There's a lot going on here. You can find me on Instagram at ToyotaJeff1. And also, my sister channel is Auto Jeff Reviews. I actually have, I think, 12 or 13 Toyota videos on there as well. Try to do a little mix of everything, Toyota and also all brands. That's Auto Jeff Reviews. That's where you can find Instagram at Auto Jeff Reviews. And I'm on TikTok, believe it or not, at Toyota Jeff Reviews, at Auto Jeff Reviews. Thanks everybody so much. Peace.